In a world filled with dreams and desires, there lies an ancient power waiting to be awakened. It is a tool that can transform the mundane into the extraordinary. It is the power of gratitude, a key to manifesting abundance and prosperity. Joseph Murphy, a renowned author and sage of positive thinking and the law of attraction, delved deep into the realm of gratitude. He discovered its immense potential in unlocking the power of manifestation and attracting abundance into his life. As we explore the secrets held within the pages of his writings, a tale unfolds. A tale of intrigue, of magic, and of destiny. Joseph Murphy, guided by his unwavering belief in the power of gratitude, embarked on a journey that would forever change his life. Through his insightful teachings, we will unveil the methods Joseph Murphy employed to manifest abundance in his own life. But this is only the beginning. We are about to embark on a voyage into uncharted territories, where Joseph Murphy's ideas merge with Neville Goddard's law of assumption and the law of attraction. As we delve deeper, the line between reality and imagination begins to blur. The power of gratitude becomes a force to be reckoned with, an ancient key unlocking a world of unlimited possibilities. But be warned, my friends, this journey is not for the faint of heart. It requires courage, determination, and an unwavering belief in the power of gratitude. Are you ready to take this exhilarating leap towards manifesting abundance and prosperity in your own life? By the end of this video, the veil will be lifted, and you will possess the knowledge to manifest the life you desire. The power of gratitude will become your compass, guiding you on a path towards abundance and prosperity. This is your opportunity, your chance to rewrite your story, to unlock the hidden potential within you. The power of gratitude awaits, ready to transform your life. If you are new here, please subscribe our channel for more such informational videos on manifestation. Joseph Murphy's manifestation technique, using two simple words, thank you, is a powerful tool for unlocking gratitude's power and manifesting abundance. By focusing on these words, we open ourselves to accessing and utilizing the creative forces of the universe. In his book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, Joseph Murphy shares the story of Mr. Brooke. He used this technique every morning and evening until gratitude dominated his mind, attracting countless blessings despite his difficult circumstances. When using this technique, it is important to be relaxed and peaceful, as living in a state of thankfulness attracts abundant blessings. Whether you're manifesting money or seeking more joy, Joseph Murphy's technique, when combined with Neville Goddard's law of assumption and visualization techniques outlined in his books Imagination creates reality, and feel it real. Can be incredibly powerful. Murphy taught that the practice of gratitude is closely linked to the law of attraction. Whatever we focus on, positive or negative, will be attracted into our lives. By focusing on gratitude, we shift our mindset to a more positive one, which in turn attracts more blessings. Just like magnets, thoughts and emotions draw in what they focus on. It's also important to note that practicing gratitude helps increase personal vibrational frequency, improving general well-being, and allowing for even greater connection with life's abundant possibilities. By reconditioning their mindsets through practices such as these, people can learn how to manifest their desires and bring about wealth through an attitude of thankfulness and appreciation for all that they have already achieved in life. Practicing this attitude each morning or evening through simple phrases such as, "Thank you, Father," or "Thank you, Universe," leads to feelings of deep-rooted contentment rather than fear or doubt over not having enough money, etc. This feeling ultimately serves as a strong drive toward further success and prosperity by opening up possibilities through its manifestation power. But what is gratitude and how does it work? Gratitude is a powerful emotion that raises our vibrational frequency, making us more receptive to positive experiences and opportunities. Expressing gratitude brings more abundance into our lives and provides psychological and physical benefits such as improved mental clarity, increased energy levels, better sleep, improved relationships, and better physical health. Practicing gratitude can be challenging during difficult times. However, it is important to recognize how essential it is for manifesting our goals and dreams when we shift our mindset from complaint or lack towards thankfulness for what we already have. Keeping a gratitude journal is an effective way to cultivate Thanksgiving daily. Taking time out of your day to focus on all the love, prosperity, health, etc. that are present in your life helps create positive energy that attracts positivity. Conversely, complaining reinforces negative energy that repels abundance instead of building upon it. With awareness towards cultivating an attitude of appreciation, one can nurture their relationships with themselves and others by recognizing the infinite good in all things. By making an effort to express appreciation, you invest in creating greater happiness within yourself, ultimately leading to an improved quality of life. The message communicated by Joseph Murphy's book rings true. Being thankful brings about a limitless supply for achieving one's cherished goals. Affirmations are a great way to express thankfulness. Repeating affirmations reinforces positive beliefs and attitudes that can help create the reality we desire by aligning our thoughts with what we want to manifest in our lives. For example, I assume my wish is granted, or any other positive affirmation will help focus on being thankful for what we already have while also creating space for more abundance. Expressing gratitude to others acknowledges their impact on our lives. This creates a ripple effect of positivity around us, which helps build strong relationships based on mutual respect and appreciation, which also contribute towards manifestation. Showing genuine appreciation not only makes people feel good, but it also helps strengthen bonds between individuals, leading towards stronger communication, something essential when working together towards achieving goals. Finally, visualizing with gratitude combines the power of manifestation through mental images with an attitude of appreciation for existing abundance in our lives, creating powerful shifts in mindset from scarcity thinking into abundant thinking. With visualization practice combined with cultivating thankfulness each day, watch how quickly things begin transforming. As your energy shifts, new opportunities are revealed. Joseph Murphy's ideas on gratitude and abundance have inspired millions around the world. He believed that by expressing gratitude, one can manifest abundance in their life and attract positive experiences. His teachings have been interpreted in many different ways, but all agree that the power of gratitude is fundamental to living an abundant life. Expressing gratitude can send out positive vibrations into the universe, which has the ability to attract more positive things into our lives, such as relationship or financial abundance. It is important to appreciate both the good and bad moments we experience in our lives because it helps us develop a sense of contentment, which will reduce negative emotions and increase happiness even when faced with obstacles. When practicing Joseph Murphy's ideas on gratitude, it is also important to remember to be present in every moment without worrying about what we lack or if something could be better. This will help shift our focus from what we don't have to what we do have. My friends, in conclusion, Joseph Murphy's teachings, combined with Neville Goddard's law of assumption and visualization techniques, show us that gratitude can be a powerful tool for manifesting abundance in our lives. By focusing on the power of thankfulness and appreciation, we open ourselves to accessing and utilizing the creative forces of the universe. Practicing gratitude helps increase personal vibrational frequency, improving general well-being and allowing for even greater connection with life's abundant possibilities. Let us take this opportunity to cultivate an attitude of gratitude by repeating affirmations, practicing mindfulness, expressing appreciation towards others, or simply taking a moment each day to appreciate small moments with ourselves or those around us. By doing so, we will unlock our true potential through gratitude and manifest abundance in our lives. Thanks for watching the video till the end. May God bless you in your manifestation journey.